I'm trying to make this video as like professional as possible, but it's so hard because like I'm gonna be like going back and forth like down to the ground because this is so heavy. I went through my closet and I've actually have showed some of these items of me getting rid of them. Sorry, the lighting's gonna be off too. It's gonna be such a weird video, but I've showed some of these items of me getting rid of them in the beginning of the month. I haven't brought this stuff to the donation bin yet because my partner also wanted to go through some of his things. But another thing that I am getting rid of that has broken down, this little shirt. This does not fit me. It shrunk in the dryer. It is made out of polyester, so it's not like the best quality. I've actually have had this for 8 years. So it is time for it to go. Again, I can't wear this. I've been having it in my closet for years, hoping that one day I can wear it again. I'm just going to get rid of it, and then if I want a light gray shirt like this, I will purchase a higher quality one and yeah, a better size that fits me. For those of you that are new here, I do have a big chest. So some of my shirts don't really look that good on me, or some shirts I should say don't look good on me. But another shirt that I'm getting rid of, and I'm not a fan of the color anymore. It also has shrunk in the dryer. Again, all of this stuff, everything I own is polyester. I've just recently learned that polyester is such a bad fabric. I didn't know any of this stuff. So anyways, another reason is this has a ton of oil stains. So not only does this not fit me, like every time I put it on, it is so tight on my chest and I can't wait to take it off. It's just filled with oil stains. So if it fit me correctly and it wasn't suffocating the girls, I would keep it as like an oil shirt, like when I'm doing my oil treatments. I cannot hold on to clothes that don't fit me anymore. Clothes that are just sitting in the closet for whenever I lose all of this extra fat. Another thing that I'm getting rid of that does not fit me, and like I said, when it comes to my breasts, I feel like it's just like the biggest problem I have. This bra is so done. It does not fit me. It's also like, it's coming off as like a nice color and looks brand new on camera, but it's not. I cannot get this on. Like, I cannot remember the last time I wore this bra. So it is time for it to go. I have a bra that fits me. It's just a cheap bra for now. It does fit me. This one was actually an expensive bra, and I had 2 of these. And surprisingly, even with them being expensive, I don't know, what is this made out of? Because the last one, like I bought 2 and the other one, the wire came out. So it's made out of spandex and nylon. I'm not sure if that's a good mix, but moral of the story, this is not my size. This is not my size. And yes, I could save it. I'm not trying to be negative or anything, you guys, but I could save it. But I've been saving it for the past couple of years, and it's been like just sitting in the closet, and I just wanted a bra to fit me for when I wear shirts like this and for when I go to, like, you know, doctors and stuff. And every time I would put that on, I was spilling out. So it just wasn't doing anything for me, and I know it's gonna take time for me to lose the weight from here. So I'm just gonna get something a little bit higher quality when these do go down, hopefully. Okay, enough talking about my breasts. Let's get into another thing that I'm getting rid of. This little vlogging tripod situation, and I don't vlog anymore, so I am getting rid of this. I'm not getting rid of my vlogging camera. I know some of you have been asking, like, are you gonna sell your vlogging camera? I don't even have that much equipment, but a lot of you have been asking if I'm going to be selling some of my equipment. No, this is the only thing I'm getting rid of. When it comes to the vlogging camera, I use it as a backup. So if there's something wrong with this camera here, which I've had since 2018, then I will use that vlogging camera as a backup. I'm not a fan of, like, the quality is great, it's just the mic is not the best. This shotgun mic, phenomenal. I don't need this anymore because, yes, I don't vlog, but another thing is I upgraded when it comes to like a portable little tripod, that I use when I'm filming like in the living room and things like that. When it comes to videos like this in front of the window, I use my big tripod. So I don't think I need 3 tripods. So this is going. Now this I actually got in a, it was like a birthday set back in July. And you know, like when Sephora or like Ulta, like they give you like a free little sample basket, like you can go online and choose what you want for free. I always do that to see like what am I getting or what can I get for free around my birthday. You'd be amazed on how many free things you can get around your birthday time. It's pretty cool. So I always like to like try travel size little shampoos or conditioners from Ulta or Sephora. It's a great way to try out newer products without paying anything. And this is the one thing that they gave. I'm not a fan of it. I love Briogeo, but the smell is driving me crazy. It's a hair oil little sample. I am not a fan of the smell. Yeah, it smells like roses and flowers. Not my cup of tea. So I already talked to my sisters. One of them is going to take that. I can't do the smell. If the smell wasn't so flowery, I would do it. But I just get an instant headache when it comes to strong flower smells or strong smells in general. That's just a really, really strong oil. Plus, I already have oil that works well, so I can just pass that along to someone else. So the next thing, I'm just gonna show you guys like in bulk so I don't make this video long. We have a lot of tech gadgets that we are decluttering. We have AirPods. Now these are not all ours. This is stuff from family members, an old iPhone. I don't even know. I think this is the iPhone 6. My partner just gave me this stuff to declutter. Also our old, what's this called? The charging bank. It is so done. We've had this since, I want to say 2014. Like it doesn't, like the charge ports are really old. It stopped charging my phone. That's why I had to buy a new one. And it is like coming apart completely. So yeah, this is done. And all of this stuff has lithium batteries. And we do live fairly close to an Apple store. So I'm going to see if they could take all of this and this. Just go there and recycle. This is all from family members. What I've noticed with Apple is when things are older, like all of these AirPods are from 2017. Once when they pass a certain mark, like a year, they stop working. And some of these were even like shocking your ear and our ears. So all of this stuff is no longer works. It's got to get recycled properly because of the lithium batteries. So all of this is getting decluttered, not necessarily from our home, but from our family member homes. So we're the only ones that live closer to an Apple store. So that's why we'll just bring it for them. More clothes. I have talked why I'm getting rid of these in that little declutter vlog video. Long story short, this got ruined with hangers, so it looks like you're a football player when you wear them, or when you wear it, I should say. And when it comes to these itty bitty tank tops, my chest does not look good in these. And even when I was a lot smaller in the chest area, it still showed my breasts. So I'm going for more of a conservative look. I want shirts like this that show just a little bit, but not the breast crack part. I want like tank tops and shirts that are very conservative and just show this part of my chest. And the last thing that I am decluttering, and it is because I upgraded, which I will be doing a video soon on what's in my beauty bag as a minimalist. It's going to have everything I own. Hair oils, brushes, elastics, tweezers, everything when it comes to beauty. I will do that video. I purchased a new bag. So this bag I've had for 7, almost 8 years. It is time for it to go. There's nothing wrong with it. I just wanted something bigger that I can just have all of my beauty products in one. I am not that type of person to like to have my beauty products out in the open. I found out like over the years I like to have one designated spot. So for the longest time, I was having some items in here. Obviously, not everything's gonna fit in this small little bag. Some items were in here, some items were in my closet, and some items were in the linen closet. So I have switched things around significantly, and I love the new bag that I have now. It keeps everything nice and tidy, and it is a lot bigger, and I can just like carry that bag, that entire bag, to the bathroom when I'm doing my hair care, or when I'm doing any type of beauty situation on myself. Everything's in that one bag. I don't have to like search around the house for a brush, an elastic, hair oil, nail filer. Like everything is in that one bag, which I love so much. So it is time to retire the small little golden black bag. I went with black for the new bag, all black. Again, black is just more forgivable. I say this all the time, but when you're looking for things that aren't going to get stained easily, especially when it comes to like traveling or something that you're using beauty products in, like oils and stuff, black is just the way to go because it doesn't get stained easily. It looks clean all the time. Again, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.